Animal Face-Off. I forgot to mention about the polar bear versus walrus. Um, I'm sorry. The the walrus, the I mean, it could have gone either way. I just wish that the the polar bear. I mean, not the polar bear. The walrus should have let the polar bear go, but no, the polar bear. As the polar bear tried to get out of the water, the walrus just stick his tusks into the polar bear's back, and the polar bear dies falling into the water, and the walrus, you know, comes out of the water. Um, Let me know in the comments if I'm missing any episodes of Animal Face Off. I just forgot to mention.